Hey guys, this is Brad. I am over here at the Dutchie Farechild event. This is David Tran's first event that he is putting on, and it is a fabulous looking event here. They're actually doing some hot air balloon. The balloon is tethered to the ground and they're taking people up. A nice little warmth off that right there. To kind of take in. This is over at the industrial space over here, event space. You can kind of see people that are out the building waiting to get in. There you go. There's the Dutchie presents Stream House. The MJBiz. Take the inside, this is the outside venue.
By myself, take a look, hey. I'm a boss hitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm like
I'll take you inside here in just a minute. Get you inside here and take some inside shots.